Welcome to our channel. If you have a Venmo credit card and want to learn how to use it for purchases and maximize rewards, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure you have applied for and received your Venmo credit card. If you haven't applied yet, do so through the Venmo app. Step 2. Activate your Venmo credit card by opening the Venmo app, navigating to the Cards section, and following the activation prompts. Step 3. Use your Venmo credit card for in-store purchases by swiping or inserting the chip at payment terminals, just like any credit card. Step 4. For online purchases, enter your Venmo credit card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address at checkout. Step 5. Earn automatic cash back rewards on purchases. The Venmo credit card offers custom cashback categories that update monthly. Step 6. Check your cashback rewards in the Venmo app under the Cards section to see your earnings. Step 7. Redeem your cashback by transferring it to your Venmo balance, which you can then send to friends or transfer to your bank. Step 8. Manage your Venmo credit card account, view statements, and make payments through the Venmo app or the Synchrony Bank website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.